In this video, I'm going to teach you about volume of rectangular pyramids and what happens when those are similar. So you'll find a problem here that says the figures below are similar. What is the volume of the smaller rectangular pyramid? So first thing to remember that since the prisms are similar, all linear dimensions scale by the same factor. So that means a over b cubed equals v1 over v2. So a over b is the ratio of the corresponding dimensions. And in this case, a and b is the height of the rectangular pyramids. Okay, so the linear dimensions we're given are these two heights. Okay, and we are given one volume. So we can find the ratio by using this formula. So let's plug in the numbers. The height of the larger pyramid is 4 centimeters. The height of the smaller pyramid is 3 centimeters. So the linear scale factor is 4 over 3. In this case, our ratio is the larger over the smaller. Okay, so V1 is the larger volume, V2 is the smaller volume. So we just have to keep it consistent. So for similar solids, volume scales by the cube of the linear factor. So this is the cube of the linear factor, and we just calculated it. So now we're going to take the cube, and it's going to be 64 over 27 when we cube both of these. So now 64 over 27 equals V1 over V2. We're just plugging numbers in into that equation up there. So now we multiply both sides by 27V2 so that we could get rid of the denominators here. So let's do that. So 27V2 on both sides. Okay, so now we can start canceling terms. The V2s here cancel, the 27s here cancel. So we're left with 64V2 equals 27V1. Now to solve for V2, we can make sure we can plug in V1 here. To solve for V2, we divide both sides by 64. So when you do that, V2 equals 27 centimeters cubed. Okay, and that's all there is to that problem. It's not very difficult. If you don't understand that right away, you could just rewatch the video. As well, take a look at the description. There's a link there to my ebook that you could download. In the ebook, you'll find a link to this very lesson, and you can follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. As well, take a look at the description. You'll find links to other videos of mine that I've done that are similar. You could check those out if you need extra help. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.